Okay, so this is the banded barbell hip thrust, but with a B stance. So what you're looking to do, start off with your band, make sure that the band is over your legs, above your knees. From here, I can widen out and I can get that adduction feeling already, okay? So we're already fighting against the band. So start from here, bring yourself up with the bar. Okay, keep it on your hip. Essentially, your shoulder blades, they should be pinned in or your scapula back. So your bra strap should basically be on here. Your upper body, we don't be leaning backwards, instead of only coming forwards, and hold this position. Drop your ribs down into your hips, so it's got nowhere to go, and all I'm doing is I'm extending up and come back down. The difference is your B stance. So what I'm doing is, to make it a little bit harder, focus on one leg predominantly, put 1 foot forward. So I'm still holding the adduction against the band. That's what I'm doing. I'm coming up, I'm squeezing. There's no tilt with my upper body, it's just the glutes. So I come anterior, posterior, anterior, posterior. The leg that's closest to me will get more of the feel, okay? So the leg that's closest to me will be like 70% work and then 30% work on the opposite leg. Once you've done, swap sides. Have a go.